Hey, what's up, Facebook family out there? Coming to you on this great Friday with a public service announcement. Just have to do it as we end the week. So I am going to share something that is must-know information. Has nothing to do with my white pants. That's a inside joke, little inside joke right now about the white pants. I may or I may not have them on, but I'm about to share something. I'm calling a public service announcement because based on the conversations I've had this week and trying to help people get pre-approved, I know that there is a lot of misunderstanding. I mean, I posted a meme earlier this week saying, like, I'll go on record saying I hate Credit Karma and I hate Zillow, but I also want to not keep saying who I hate, but give you some information to combat some of these things. So, far as credit, your mortgage lender, if you're buying a car, or your realtor, whoever, they're going to love me for sharing this information, whether you're working with me or not. I'm going to give you an actual inside tip on the credit model. Like, nobody really understands how it actually works, but I'm going to give you one good thing that you need to know, whether you understand it or not. So here's the deal. The credit scoring model, not the Credit Karma model, the one that when you're going to talk to a mortgage lender, is highly based on what you do with revolving credit. So you're like, Markita, what is revolving credit? Credit cards. I know you don't want to hear it, but it's true. I mean, outside of paying on time, to manipulate your credit score, you have to work with some type of revolving credit. So a lot of people have a challenge with this. Basically, you're trying to maybe establish credit. You're trying to get a popping score or whatever it is, but you have all installment loans. And you don't want to hear that you need credit cards because in your mind, right, credit cards are bad. That's what our mom told us. Don't get any credit cards or don't run up the credit cards. But they actually can be a good thing. So I know this is very counterintuitive, but I'm not a credit expert, but this is what I see on a daily basis. And I just want to share this information to help you understand what you can do to immediately raise your credit score versus over a long period of time. So look into getting credit cards and managing those credit cards properly. Big deal. Get the credit cards and then don't use them. It really doesn't work. All week I've had different conversations. I actually even saw where a person had Aaron on their credit, and you're like, who is Aaron? So you got to know about the substitute teacher. Go Google that. It's a funny skit where the kid's name is Aaron, but he calls him Aaron. So anyway, I digress right now. But Aaron Rents. Do not go to Aaron Rents as a way to establish credit. It's going to be an installment loan, basically, probably on some furniture that you're going to pay 3 times for. And then they're going to say they're actually reporting it to credit, but they actually report it at the end after you've paid off as an installment loan, which doesn't help. So I need you, if you're trying to establish credit or raise your credit score, look at getting credit cards and managing those things responsibly. So I know you're like, I can't believe a mortgage lender is actually telling me to get credit cards, but there are rules to the game. And if you know how to play the game, then you can win. So I'm giving you the insider information. Your mortgage lender, if it's not me, is actually going to love you for that. If you're thinking about buying a house, if you already have credit cards, work on managing those balances before you get your score pulled to make sure you're going to get approved. So if you want some more info about some credit cards that you can get relatively easy if you're starting off, you can email us. I think maybe we dropped it down in the comments. Markita at queenofmortgages.com can send you over a couple of accounts that can go on your score relatively quick and help you either get over the hump, raise your score, what it is. Maybe you're at 640 and you need to get to 680. I'm giving you the inside information on how to get that done. All right, y'all have a good Friday, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Might have to show y'all my white pants too. Okay, inside joke. Peace.